Hello students, welcome to the session number 62 for third semester B students, that is Engineering Mathematics 3 18 MAT 31. The topic is Fourier transform. Problem number 2, find the Fourier transform of f of x is equals to 1 minus mod x for mod x less than or equals to 1, or f of x is equals to 0 for mod x greater than 1, and hence deduce that integration 0 to infinity sin square t divided by t square dt is equals to pi by 2. So we have to prove it is equals to pi by 2. Very important problem, several times asked in VTU exam. So we have a formula to find transform. It is Fourier transform. It is minus infinity to, so f of u is equals to integration minus infinity to infinity f of x e raised to iux dx, or f of small f of x is equals to f of u. Both are same, and inverse of that is 1 upon 2 pi f of x is equals to 1 upon 2 pi minus infinity to infinity. So f of x e raised to minus iux du. So it is a inverse transform formula. It is transform formula. So first f of x means f of u is equals to minus infinity to infinity f of x e raised to iux dx. So this is the application now. So in application it is minus infinity to infinity. In problem it is the limits is, so x is very less than minus less than or equals to 1 means minus 1 to 1 or equal to 1, minus 1 to 1, and the given equation 1 minus mod x is equals to e raised to iux. E raised to iux present in application. We inserted f of x value here. Next f of x is nothing but f of u. It is equals to integration minus 1 to 0. Here minus 1 to 1 is there. So for mod x two values are there. That means we have to split this in two parts. That means minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, minus 1 to 0, because 1 minus mod x, one value is minus x e raised to iux plus another value is plus x, and it is 0 to 1, minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. So integration minus 1 to 0, minus into minus plus 1 plus x e raised to iux dx plus integration 0 to 1, 1 minus x, it is minus x e raised to iux dx. It is equals to, next we have to apply Bernoulli's rule of integration. So we have to apply Bernoulli's rule. What is that? Integration of uv is equal to u integration v dv minus u dash double integration v with respect to v 2 times. Next it is, now it is plus minus, now it is plus u double dash triple integration v with respect to dv 3 times, and next again minus, and next so on. We have to continue. So it is first u plus integration of e raised to iux. It is simply integration of e raised to x means e raised to x, and the constant term differentiation this is iu. Next minus u dash, u is here, this one same u, so u dash is differentiation of this term is 1. Next double integration of v dv. One time we are done, to integrate this time, that means it will be double integration e raised to iux divided by constant term iu 2 times iu square. Earlier it is iu, now iu square. Next plus double differentiation of u. So here we got 1, next double differentiation, it will be 0, no need to write. So over put the limit minus 1 to 0 plus this time again same Bernoulli's rule, 1 minus x e raised to iux divided by iu. Next minus differentiation of this term is minus 1 e raised to iux divided by iu square, and the limit. So next term is, it is plus 0, no need to write. So limit is 0 to 1. Next, 1 upon here limit 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. This is constant iu I have taken outside. So 1 plus 0 is 1. E raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Next, minus of this, insert minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means whole term is 0. Next, here this term, it is, here it is minus symbol is there, here plus. Why it is? So iu square is there. It is nothing but I square u square is equals to minus 1 u square, because I square is equals to minus 1. You know that. So it is minus u square. It is minus u square. So it is minus u square and this minus. So it becomes 1 upon u square plus minus into minus plus 1 upon u square, and here e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1. I u the whole square already taken outside. So it becomes u square only and get cancel here. Minus into minus becomes it plus. So it is e raised to 0 is 1. Next, minus e raised to iu. In place of x, minus 1 e raised to iu. And this u square already taken as a common. Next, plus here insert 1. So 1 minus 1, it is 0. Iu taken outside. Next 0, e raised to 0 is 1. Next, minus. So minus into minus plus, and here again minus I square u square, just I told it is minus. So again it is minus symbol. 1 upon u square taken outside, e raised to iu x. X is 1. E raised to iu into 1. 1 divided by, this is u square already taken outside, minus this sign, limit e raised to 0. It is 1. So it is 1 upon u square common. So it is here minus into minus plus 1, and here 1 upon u square. Here again plus this and this. So it becomes 2. 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 upon u square. Here e raised to iu is there, minus symbol. So minus 1 upon u square, e raised to iu. Next, 1 upon u square, here also it is there. 1 upon e raised to minus iu. E raised to minus iu. Here minus symbol is there, already taken I got minus into plus minus. It is equals to 2 by u square minus 2 by u square minus 1 by u square. And what about this? E raised to iu plus e raised to minus iu. So Euler's formula, trigonometry, what is that? E raised to ix plus e raised to minus ix divided by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos x. You know this one. E raised to ix plus e raised to minus ix divided by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x, or e raised to ix plus e raised to minus ix is equals to 2 into 1 minus cos x. 2 into 1 minus cos x. So it is 2 into 1 minus cos x. It is 2 into 1 minus cos u. In place of x, it is u. 2 into 1 minus cos u divided by u square. So u square already it is there. So thus f of x is equals to, so now again 1 minus cos x, or 1 minus, you know very well, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. So here 2 sin square theta by 2, 2 into 2, 4 sin square theta by 2 divided by u square. This is equals to f of u. Now f of x is equals to, so we got f of u 4 sin square u by 2, 2 into 2 4, it is 2 sin square theta by 2 u. Now f of x is equals to 1 upon 2 pi, so this one 1 upon 2 pi integration minus infinity to infinity f of u e raised to minus iux du, it is equals to f of x 1 upon 2 pi. So this is application. Being the inverse Fourier transform, f of x is equals to 1 upon 2 pi minus infinity to infinity. So f of u is nothing but this one 4 sin square u by 2 divided by square e raised to iux from application du. F of x is equal to 1 upon 2 pi, it is minus infinity to infinity sin square u by 2, and this 4 you take outside, it becomes u square by 4 or u by 2 the whole square, u square by 2 square, that means 4 square, it is e raised to iux du. Now putting x is equals to 0, we have f of 0 is equals to 1. By the definition of f of x, it is f of 0 is equals to 1. So f of 0, f of x is equals to 1 here. So 1 is equals to 1 upon 2 pi minus infinity to infinity sin square u by 2 the whole square du. Put u by 2 is equals to t, put u by t, put u by 2 is equals to t, that means u by 2 is equals to t. Now differentiate, it is u is equals to 2t or du is equals to 2 dt, du is equals to 2 dt, and t also varies from minus infinity to infinity. Hence, so it is 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi minus infinity to infinity sin square t, u by 2 means t divided by u by 2 the whole square t square into du, du is 2 dt is equals to 1 upon pi. So 2 get cancels here, minus infinity to infinity sin square t divided by t square dt, or 1 is equal to 1 upon pi 2 into integration 0 to infinity sin square t divided by t square dt. So here no 2 is there, here we got 2. How it is? Because we know that f of x is even. This implies and implied by f of minus x is equals to f of x. This implies, so integration minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equals to 2 into integration now 0 to infinity, when it is even 0 to infinity f of x dx. This we know. So minus infinity to f of x dx is equals to 2 when it is even. Even means f of minus x is equals to f of x. So sin square t by t square means it is even. It is, if it is sin t by t, then it is odd. Sin raised to 4 by t raised to 4, again it is even. So it becomes, according to this one, 2 into integration 0 to infinity, 2 into integration 0 to infinity sin square t divided by t. F of x means sin square t by dt. So we can simply write here, since the integrand is even, that is even means we are going to get this answer. Thus integration 0 to infinity sin square t divided by t square dt is equals to cross multiplication 2 by pi is there. If you cross multiplication it becomes pi by 2. So it is pi by 2, and we got the answer. And they ask, so prove pi by 2. Here we got pi by 2. I hope you understood this problem.